Hello guys, that's A5 Trading, and in this video we'll do a review of that week. So we'll talk about the price, about the logic of price movement. And by the way, it was very logical week, but uh, in my opinion, it didn't. According to my strategy, I didn't see much opportunities for positions. So I had only one position. I had a break-even position, and then I tried to enter another one, but price didn't take my limit order. But in case of logic, it was very nice week. I liked it a lot. Let's start with Monday. So during the Monday, we can see that price does a break of structure right here, and it creates a point of interest. So in Asian session, it does a break of structure, right? And it creates that point of interest. Then in Monday, in Frankfurt session, in London session, I saw that the market structure shifts, so I wanted to see a test of that gap and inside of that point of interest. And I took short position here where I got a break even during the news, and that's it. And the day was over for me. During the Tuesday, during the Tuesday, I thought that like I was balancing between short buys and long buys because globally we're in short buys and it was like rate of liquidity in short buys. But also here we can see that point of interest, and it was logical to see like resweep of that high, and after that resweep I thought that will go lower because of that bias. And here in London session, when I saw a manipulation on a 15-minute time frame, I understood that we will go higher. And I tried to take long here, but market just didn't took my limit order, and the day was over for me. Here you can see that the price creates 1 hour time frame point of interest inside of that 4 hour time frame point of interest, and inside of that gap also it works with liquidity inside of that gap. And after that we see that long movement, and during the Thursday and during the Friday price just continues to go higher. And right now I think that we'll invalidate that short order flow. My global bias will be also long, but I would like to see a rebalance, and from that rebalance I would like to take long positions, because I feel like those long positions would have like higher probability. Let's move to gold. If you looked at our TikTok, at our Instagram, then you know that I skipped almost I didn't really look at gold, to be honest, because I didn't like it at all. So we had that short order flow. We have that still, but I think that we will invalidate that. We have that short order flow, and I didn't like here we saw that some long opportunities, but I didn't want to target that rate of liquidity. And after that, we started moving in a range, went higher, and here we had like here I wanted to take longs, but don't remember why. I didn't. I couldn't enter from that shift because I didn't have enough R multiple, and here I couldn't enter because of the market just didn't give me model. And in Asian session next day when I slept, it made the model and went higher. And on GBP/USD for me it was most logical asset during that week, because we moved that short order flow, we did that liquidity sweep in that short order flow, and after that we did the market structure shift in that 1 day time frame point of interest. So now and we invalidated that short order flow. So now our global time frame and local time frame are in synchronization, and I'm expecting this target and that target, but I would like to see a rebalance in that daily fair value gap, because that's the same reason that it was on euro, because if we will see a rebalance in that long order flow, then it will give us opportunities to take more longs, and those longs will have like higher probability. Now let's do a outlook on the following week. Guys, as I said, I think that we will invalidate that short order flow, but also you have to remember that we're still in that short bias, and right now we can go here from that point easily. But all in all, I think that we may invalidate that short order flow, and after the invalidation, if we will invalidate that, then I will look for longs to that target. If I will see that we're starting to going lower here, and we start forming short order flow, then I will strongly look for shorts. In euro, same thing. We may invalidate that thing, but also we're still in that short order flow, so if we will get an invalidation, then I will look for longs. If I will see that we're moving at short, I will trade. I will take only shorts. GBP USD. On GBP USD, I will look strongly for longs, because globally and locally my bias is strong long, and I want to see only longs. But only thing, I would like to take those longs from a rebalance, as I said. So that was it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.